Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Equity Investments. Part 7. Question number 1. What is a central assumption of the Gordon growth model? A. The company will maintain a stable dividend payout ratio. B. The growth rate of dividends will accelerate over the company's life. C. The required rate of return must be greater than the dividend growth rate. D. None of the above. Answer is C. The required rate of return must be greater than the dividend growth rate. Question number 2. Which characteristic most directly supports raising equity capital efficiently? A. The existence of mechanisms for borrowers to pledge assets as collateral for their loans, thereby lowering their borrowing costs. B. The presence of liquid markets where shareholders can easily divest their equities as desired, making investors more willing to fund new projects. C. The availability of financial intermediaries that allow people to save money for the future by purchasing diversified investment vehicles. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. The presence of liquid markets where shareholders can easily divest their equities as desired, making investors more willing to fund new projects. Question number 3. Which action is most likely a violation of CFA standards of professional conduct? A. Clearly separating facts from opinions within the equity research report. B. Basing recommendations on comprehensive company and industry analysis. C. Advising clients to sell shares based exclusively on an unsubstantiated rumor without further due diligence. D. All of the above. Answer is C. Advising clients to sell shares based exclusively on an unsubstantiated rumor without further due diligence. Question number 4. The technique showing stock intrinsic values for various required return and dividend growth rate combinations is called A. Scenario analysis. B. Regression analysis. C. Sensitivity analysis. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Sensitivity analysis. Question number 5. Which CFA standard has Sarah Chen most likely violated by using and sharing material non-public information? A. Standard I. B. Independence and objectivity. B. Standard 2. A. Material non-public information. C. Standard V. A. Diligence and reasonable basis. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Standard 2. A. Material non-public information. Question number 6. In a semi-strong efficient market, the investor's opportunity to outperform based on public info is A. Dependent on access to private information. B. Significantly enhanced by identifying intrinsic versus market value discrepancies. C. Severely limited as prices reflect all public information. D. None of the above. Answer is C. Severely limited, as prices reflect all public information. Question number 7. Which initiative most likely enhances equity securities' importance in a developing country? A. Fostering technological innovation and electronic information exchange. B. Implementing regulations that limit innovation and info exchange. C. Prioritizing debt markets, reducing equity capital need. D. None of the above. Answer is A. Fostering technological innovation and electronic information exchange. Question number 8. The equilibrium price in equity markets is where? A. Quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. B. Intrinsic value significantly exceeds market price. C. Institutional investors outnumber individual investors. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. Quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. Question number 9. What is the appropriate discount rate for a project with beta 1.3, risk-free rate 2.5%, and market risk premium 7%? A. 9.1%. B. 9.5%. C. 11.6%. D. All of the above. Answer is C. 11.6%. Question number 10. Which limitation of third-party industry classification schemes is illustrated by a conglomerate classified by historical sectors despite current core businesses? A. Group vastly different businesses within same industry. B. Assign multi-product companies to a single classification, misrepresenting core business. C. Struggle to account for geographical and local market dynamics. D. None of the above. Answer is B. Assign multi-product companies to a single classification, misrepresenting core business. Thanks for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BSP Trainings.